To help celebrate the holiday in a way only the Weather Channel can, we are sharing our atmospheric attractions this morning. And you've heard the saying, opposites attract. Well, that's especially true when it comes to low pressure. Now, let's talk about the low pressure and all the attracting it's doing. You know, we saw this love floating through the air last year in Denver. That's when the city was hit with a bomb cyclone, whipping up some strong, gusty winds. Yeah, it's all about low pressure and how it attracts air. It's literally the ultimate attractor in the atmosphere. We actually have one ongoing right now. We've got this really strong low pressure up here in the northern Atlantic, down to 929 millibars. It's a strong low. And did you know that air moves from high pressure to low pressure? So we've got our subtropical high down here, and you can actually follow the streamlines of the air as it moves away from high pressure towards low pressure. There we go. Watch it. Air is on the move, and when the low is strong, it's moving fast here. That low pressure, the ultimate atmospheric attractor, but things get lousy pretty quick around the low pressure. That air is rising, and that's where you have all the bad weather. Meanwhile, lightning getting its electric groove on as it boogies between the atmosphere. It's all about the separation of charges and that atmospheric connection that gets made. It can create some amazing shots as it dances across the night sky. This video capturing lightning striking over the Keys in Florida. So how does lightning form? Well, you need a cloud, and inside that cloud, when you have ice particles, and you get charges that start to build up, and you get separation of charges. And the heavier negative particles will sink towards the bottom of the cloud, and the lighter positive ones will sink up or float up towards the top. So you get this, this strong separation of charges, and sometimes the connection is made in the cloud, or it can be made with the ground. Lightning occurs to offset the large charge imbalance, and the ground has a positive charge, so you can get that cloud. So what about all those cloud droplets? They really stick together, don't they? They connect in a good way. Steph breaks down the science behind clouds for us by using a jar, ice, water, and a match.
It's all been focused right here on the South. We always like loyalty in a relationship, right? When both partners are loyal, it's a beautiful thing. Well, unfortunately, Mother Nature has been way too loyal to us here in the South with all of this rain. It's just been giving us so much love. We're like, all right, you're smothering me, okay? Enough already with that. Here is our front. You can see that moisture behind it. It is a lot drier. That's indicated where you see the red on the map. That is the dry air coming on in. Sharp front here, but Jacksonville, you're still seeing the showers, some clouds overhead there into Tampa, southeastern portions of Georgia, Savannah, Charleston, very romantic cities. If you are still thinking of a getaway, if you haven't quite planned it, I'm telling you, do a Charleston or Savannah trip with your loved one. That you'll have a great time. Everything will be clearing out, though. These fronts, they really lose their oomph as they get down to, warmer temperatures, and everything kind of is this, the temperature-wise, as you get close to the equator, your temperatures don't change a lot. And so that's one of the reasons these things wash out. So here's a look tomorrow. You can't get a better forecast than this. For mid-February, stunning, Jim. I mean, I think we are winning at our forecast here.
Yes, spring is